Hello friends, you're welcome to my channel. Before I get started, let me light the candle. It's really cold here and I still have to go to work and walk in the snow, but anytime I'm coming to do a video or when I'm in my office, I put like little candles around the corner just to give the vibe of warm. Yes. So today is another video that we're gonna continue our 100 envelope savings challenge for low income. So keep watching. Hi, hello. This is your girl Josie again. And today we are going to continue the challenge that we are doing. And a lot of people have been doing. So I'm leaving one of the comment on the screen so that you guys will see one of the comment that Celestine made. Yes, I love those comments. When I'm reading them, I get so excited. I was going to do them like a short videos, but I realized that no, a lot of people are following from YouTube and they are also doing it. A lot of people who are going to save the video that they watch and do it later. So that's why I'm going to do it here. So the days that I'm not posting my regular videos, I'm going to do this until it's done. And we're going to count it here to see the amount when you do it like this way. Somebody was telling me that I should try and do it for the 52 weeks challenge. Yes, I'm going to try and check that one also out. I don't have that challenge, so I have to buy it from somebody. So let's see how it play out. But today, we're going to do the numbers from 21 to 30. And for my new subscribers, thank you for joining me. For my OG, you guys know I love you guys so much. So let's go ahead, count the money. Then we don't have to forget to read our quote for today. It's a very nice quote. So let's count the money, then we will do that as well. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So that's 40. I'm going to do the math in my head because for this challenge, everybody has to know their math game. So that's 40. Let's remember that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. So 21. So that would be 61. Yes, 61. I think the last time we did a challenge that we did a 20, we did 11 to 20, it was like 56, if I'm not mistaken. But if I will check the number and write it on the screen so that you guys will know how it's going. So pretty much very low income. I had my calculator, but I didn't use it. So let's leave it on the side. Let's put a candle here to give us the vibe that is cold, but we still have something going. Yeah, it's really cold. Like if you are in a place that is cold and you don't have anywhere to go, I'm urging you to stay inside. Don't go outside because it's really cold. So today for our quotes, it says that hope is stronger than fear. I love this. Yes, and it's true. Hope is stronger than fear. If you have a fear, you can't do stuff. If you are hopeful, you know that this thing that I'm going to do, I'm hoping that it will get well. But if you have fear, you have fear inside, you'll not even try. At times, that's our worried that, oh, it won't go very well. Then you get feared about it. Yeah, so I urge you to have a strong hope. Hope. I name my daughter Hope. So I love the word hope as well. So now let's go ahead and do this. So today we have 21. So that will be 2 plus 1. Everybody should say 3. So we are going to put in 3. I'm a math nerd, so I'm loving this so well. I'm a number person, to tell you guys the truth. I'm a number person. I love calculation, math. Math was my best favorite subject. So doing this challenge this way is like my vibe. Yes, I hope everybody's doing very well. I hope you are doing very well. I'm doing very well. This year, I've said to myself, no negativity. Even if I'm not doing well, I'm still going to say I'm doing well. So let's go to the next one. 2 plus 2 is 4. Did everybody get it right? That's easy math. I know everybody will get it right. Even if you don't get it right, I'm doing the math for you. It's 4. So you're putting $4. And for those of you who are new here, thank you so much. Because I know most of you are joining the challenge. So you are subscribing to my channel. Welcome, welcome. 2 plus 3 is 5. So we'll do 5 here. And I'm also posting the short videos about it. So in case you want to check my short out, you can go ahead and follow it from there as well. If that one is easy for you. Because I know people love the shots. They love it because it's fast and short. It's not like the long YouTube videos. So I have it there as well. Then we have 2 plus 4, which is 6. I'm bringing my math game on. If I get it wrong, that would be bad. I have to know my math. And I have kids, so I have to know this. Okay, so we're done with this part. Let's go. 2 plus 5 is 7. 7 down. And a lot of people have been asking me what I'm going to use the money for. I'm going to put it in my traveling binder. I would love to travel. So this year, maybe I'm going to go on a travel spree. So I'll use this money to do that. I'll put it in my traveling binder. So that's what I've decided to do. Then 2 plus 6 is 8. I think every savings challenge that you do this year, you have to have a purpose for it. That's what savings challenge is for. Have a purpose. Like you can do a savings challenge to say that's for my self-care, a savings challenge for your sinking funds. Like have a purpose. If you have a purpose for your savings challenge, when you are doing them, it makes it more fun. Like this one, I know I'm going to put it when I'm done in my traveling binder. So I have a purpose for it. I have 2 plus 7, which is 9. I hope the money is going to be enough. I hope I did the math well. And I can't wait to get done. So for those of you who bought the challenge for my shop, please use this opportunity to do it. Even if you don't have money right now, maybe you can start with the low income approach. Then you can keep this for a long time. 2 plus 8 is 10. Okay, we have 2 more to go. 2 plus 9 is 11. And for those of you who are following me from IG, TikTok, I'm also posting it there. So you can watch it from there. In case you are there, you can watch it from there as well. Okay, make sure it goes in. Did it? Yeah. Then 3 plus 0 is 3, so we have our $3. That's the last one. And if you are watching me and you haven't started, maybe you want to start, you can follow along with me and just get started. Like, I'm going to do it throughout till I'm done with this video, and I'll mostly do it, I think, Mondays, Wednesdays. That's when I'm going to do it, mostly, until I'm done with the 10 parts. Then we will count them. So that's all for today. We started with 21 and we did the math, and I'll have the numbers on the screen so that you guys will follow along. It will be easier that way as well. So thank you for joining me today. If you are new here, I just want to say I really appreciate you. Let me go ahead and mark my tracker as well so that I'll know that I have done it. And if you haven't hit the subscribe button, please go ahead and do so that you don't miss any of my videos. Thank you so much for joining me, for being part of my friends. Okay, then I'll go ahead and also do it on my tracker here. That's my empty tracker, so that I'll know what I'm doing. So today we did 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Then this one was 3. Yep. That's the update on that one as well. It's not cool. So this is how it is. We are going almost there. So thanks for watching me today. Thank you. I will see you in my next video, which will be probably tomorrow. Yes. So remember, hope is stronger than fear. Bye.